What's up, guys? Jury here, and I see a lot of questions, a lot of same questions about how to make money on a ClickBank and how to get passive income with affiliate marketing and income. So, as you know, personally, I'm working as affiliate marketer full time, and I got many websites, niche websites, what I have created. As well, I'm a Udemy instructor and sharing all my strategies on a Udemy platform. So I will put also links in video description below. So make sure to check it, and you can check my profile and see what I'm doing online for a living. Let's talk about ClickBank. Uh, Personally, I uh, work with many programs, not only with ClickBank but with Rakuten Marketing, Max Bounty, Share a Sale, and many others. But this one is huge and top networks uh, online and I work with them. So for a ClickBank, I recommend you to to enroll to course ClickBank University if you are a total beginner and not sure what to do, even if you have some experience in affiliate marketing, but you are not getting any results. You should try this ClickBank University. Why you should try this ClickBank University? It's because I got well. This course is created by two guys who are top affiliate marketers on the ClickBank platform. So these two guys made billions of money, and they know how to promote these ClickBank products, and they share experience in this ClickBank course. So I recommend you to enroll at least what you can do. They have a free webinar, so simply go to the link what I will put in this video description below, and you can enroll on a ClickBank University with their trial. So so you can simply check webinars for free, and then you can decide if this ClickBank University is good for you. The main thing what they offer, it's ClickBank platform. So they will offer you a platform what can help you to build your own small niche websites and include your affiliate links from a ClickBank. So this tool is helpful, but in my opinion, if you work professionally as web designer, I was working before as web designer, so this tool for me it's helpful, but I can create same things by myself. But if you are not do not have experience with WordPress, with any other platforms to create your website, this platform can help you a lot. Because you can it's a drag and drop builder, and you can drag and drop affiliate links, create images, add videos, call to action buttons. It's really powerful. I recommend you to check it out. As well, they share experience, they share some strategies how you can start generating profit on a ClickBank platform, on a ClickBank marketplace. So in brief, this is all, and so what I recommend is click on a link what I will put in this video description, enroll on this ClickBank University, at least on their trial version, where you can check free webinar. After that, you can decide ready to spend money on it, or if you are not. As well, I will put some links on my profile, so you can check what I'm doing and who I am. So make sure to check the links and subscribe to this channel. Okay, guys, see you soon. Bye.